How to fix Valorant? Please restart your client, error code 62. And if you want to fix this problem, it's easy. Only to do, type here, run, click on it, and now type here services.msc and click OK. And now once you're here, just scroll down until you find VGC. Here is it. Right click on it and then click properties, click here, make it automatic, apply and OK. Close this window, type here device manager, and now click display adapters, right click update and search automatically for updates. Make sure to update all your GPU drivers and also network adapters and processors, and that's it. Don't forget to like and restart your PC, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.